Hi, welcome to the another video. First of all, again, I want to say thank you to you all for your love, for your messages, for your calling. So thank you so much. May God give you success in your exam. You're looking for exam. That's why you're watching this video. So I will put in this video four questions which came on the 4th of December. I'm recording this video on the 5th of December. Four of my students went into the exam yesterday. Again they are repeating the questions. Is about 70 question which is coming again and again, and trust me, if you do that question with your hand or if you watch it again and again, you can pass easily. But some people struggle as well, so you must do practice with your hand, like draw the route which I'm going to draw now. So again, please listen this for a couple of minutes introduction about the topographical test, because you ask me this question again and again, so I will not stop telling you again and again as well. So this is the topographical test. There will be three tests. I'm not going to speak about that, only the topographical test in this video. That's why I'm putting four real exam question in that video. So the time will be 1.5 hours for the topographical test. The first four question will be the route planning, as you can see on the screen. You will start from the green, finish on red. This will be four question which contain 75 marks. The 17 marks second section will be from the book. You have to buy this book. You can buy from eBay, Amazon, or WS Smith Waterstone, but the people are selling used books on the eBay. You can buy it cheap, maybe 10 pound, but it's 17-18 pound. 17 marks from that book, and the 8 marks is going to be the compass direction question, which is easy as well. It means the question will be there. It's going to be like a screen. It's going to be, sorry, on the diagram they will say you have to go to means two roads north, two road south, then where you're going to be, on which junction. I make a different video about this one, you can find on YouTube. So this total marks will be 100. Passing marks is 60%, so you have to get 60 from all these three modules. You means it is not specific, means you have to get in certain marks in route planning, certain marks here, and certain marks in the compass, then you have to pass. You have to get 60. If you done only route planning, which is 75 marks route planning, if you get 60 from the route planning, you will be pass. I know some students, they did not touch this A to Z book because they could not do it, then they pass as well. But my advice, some people fail with 1 marks, they got 59, 58. So one marks is important. You should touch all these module, route planning, book, and compass. Yeah, so that's it. I think I told everything about this topographical test. So first will be the route planning questions, then the book, then the compass. Does not matter, you can choose any question, but my advice, 75 marks is route planning. You should start with the route planning questions. Now I'm going to put the question which came yesterday, Thursday, on the 4th of December. So let's see. So one more thing for your benefit, if you're going to YouTube channel and you want to see my latest video which is coming again and again, just if you write SAPCO, if you can see here, then if you click on this icon and if you go to my playlist, and you will be able to see a new topographical rail exam route planning 2025. So there's about 1 2 3, I think 7 10 videos. I'm adding more. If you do these videos, watch these videos, you will learn 80%. 20% if you want to do the practice, you should do it. Okay, so we're gonna do the route planning now. Okay, the first question came around this area. Is Tower Bridge, start from green to red. So there's a certain rules, some rules TFL want you to follow. We're not gonna use means Google Maps or the real life map. This map is totally different as compared to this A to Z. A to Z is this map which we are using on the screen now. So the first thing they say, you should have a direct route. Direct route means a straight line. So we should have a straight line from green to red. Sometimes you can't get it, but you try your best to stay around this line to draw the route from green to red. Sometime maybe you get the river, you can't make it. Sometime maybe you get the restriction, but you try your best. So this terminology Google Map are using as well to save time, fuels, a lot of things. If you try to go from one place to another, if you zoom Google Map, you will see the Google is want you to take the straight line from point A to point B where you're gonna go. So let's always start from the green. So we do the planning step by step. So we have to get around this roundabout, then we're gonna go up. So to get here, do the deep planning now when you're gonna do the exam, because you're gonna save you a lot of time, trust me. Planning. So if you go over here, this is restriction, this is the one way, we can't go here. So if you go up the one way over here, I'm just drawing roughly, just draw roughly a little bit. Let's say if you go here, this is a one way, look, you can't go here, look, so you stop now here, isn't it? So this is the time, this is means you save your time. If you go like this, you can't go where this road is closed, and if you go this way, this is closed as well, and you can't turn right here because of the restriction. Look, if you do planning for 30 seconds, 1 minute is going to be okay. So the best thing to do it, we're gonna go here, then we're gonna turn right here. Hope so you get as well. So let's do it then. So zoom in like this, always zoom in here. So this straight one way, we can't go here, but we can go this way. We did our planning. So this one way is not telling you to turn this way. A lot of people, they confuse. This road is straight going here, you can go here as well, here. So if I do mistake, so please write in comments. I'm human, I'm making this late night as well. Okay, here, so we did our planning, we're gonna go here. Now we're gonna stop. We should go right, we should go up. Our red is over here, so we're gonna go straight up. So if we go up from here, we're gonna go here. So a lot of people think, oh, we have to go around, but you can go from here as well. It's not an issue because of the line, the thickness of line. This line, look, is here is thick line. This is thick line. It means this is two-way. You can go here. Go straight. So we should turn right here. No, we have to straight. We're just gonna stop here. My right is over here. So I'm going to turn right here. Nothing wrong to turning right here, and that's it. And this is full marks. So if you go like this and turning right here, it's going to be the problem because of the line. Maybe in real life you can do right here, but the TFL say you have to follow this A to Z map rules. Hope so you understand. Let's move to the next question. Okay, this route, look, I was talking about the straight line. We can't get the straight line here because of this river, and we do not, TFL do not allow you to use a submarine or boat to cross the river. So we have to use the tunnels here. So there's two tunnels. On my right hand side is a Blackwall tunnel and the Rotherhithe tunnel. So let's draw roughly. If we use Blackwall tunnel, it's going to be look like this, and if we use Rotherhithe tunnel, then it's going to be look like this, guys. So which one are you going to do it? The TFL do not like belly. This is the big belly. In real life we don't like bellies. Here the TFL as well. So we're going to use a Rotherhithe tunnel, which is going to give us not exactly the straight line, but we try our best to use the shortest route, which is a direct route. Hope so you understand. So next thing is the planning. We have to get into the tunnel. To get into the tunnel, like when you eat food, you eat with mouth. There's no other part of the body you can eat food. Same in the tunnel. This is the tunnel approach. Means we have to hit that part to get into the tunnel. Sorry, I have to speak a lot because you're asking me these kind of questions. I receive many messages. so it's difficult to answer. Sometimes you send me the message 2 in the morning as well, trust me. um, so I try my best to speak in the videos. If you maybe, let's say 5 out of 10 people can get it. Okay, so tunnel approach we're going to use it. So we have to get to the tunnel approach. So there's two ways to do that one. If we use West Ferry Road and Limehouse Link, I think the Limehouse Link is going to be the good route. So let's start then. Here, here, and this one is not telling you to go around. We can go here. So I'm gonna go around like this, here, here. So I'm gonna use the Limehouse Link because this looks the best way rather than using going up and like this, here. So a lot of people do mistake. That's where they get 0 marks. They go straight from here. So what did I say before? We have to use the tunnel approach, which is over here, which is we are missing it. So we have to, this is a road, Butcher Road, here. Now we're hitting the tunnel approach. We are going inside the tunnel. If you go from the Limehouse Link, it's going to be 0 marks. Hope so you understand. So we're gonna go back and using the Butcher Row to get into the tunnel by using tunnel approach here. So stay on the left hand side. You're gonna get confused because of the overlapping of the map. The Limehouse Link highway road, then underneath is a tunnel, but you do practice. So we're going to use the tunnel approach again to get outside from the tunnel. If you do like this, a lot of my students, lovely students, they do like this, it's 0 marks. You cannot, you're still in the tunnel. So we're going to use the tunnel approach here. You are outside from the tunnel now. So we're going to plan our next, my red is on the left hand side. So I'm going to go here. So make sure you zoom in, you don't touch this black line. And when you zoom in, you see the one ways as well. Sometimes there's a one way you can't see if you do not zoom in. Zoom in means make it screen bigger. Now the time is to the planning here, because if you come over here, you can't do it, isn't it? This is going to be 0 marks. So it's to save time. If we come over here, then we're gonna go this way and come this way. Yeah, we can do that. So it's better to come over here. So we're gonna come here. Try to stay on the left hand side always. Here, and that's it. Full marks if you do like this. Let's move to the next question. Okay, one question come in the exam in the route planning. They say road is closed. There is no sign for that road closed. Just they show in this notes. On this side, there is going to be note in bold letter, NOTE note. They will say that road is closed. So in this question, Lemon Street is closed. So there's a two way to do this question. First, you try to do your route normally and try to read the name of the road. You will find out, or you just first spend maybe 30 seconds, 1 minute to find the Lemon Street. I can see that this is a Lemon Street. Is starting from here. You can see this is a Lemon Street. So a lot of people do mistake over here. The Lemon Street is starting from there. It's going to be up to here. This is the Lemon Street. We're not going to use this road, and we try our best to find the best route. This question can be simple, can be hard as well because of this thing over here. A lot of people do not know about this one. Is Goodman's Yard. So we're going to start from here. This one way we have to follow this one way. Here. So a lot of people think this is a roundabout, so they just do not know. They do like this, but even if it's roundabout, just we're going to come like this, but that's not roundabout here. My red is over there. So I'm going to go here. A lot of people think this is the Lemon Street as well. They do not want to use this, but we can use that one. This is one way. We can't go here, so we have to turn here. Then we're gonna go this way. We're gonna stop here. I mean, see my red is on. So sometimes we have to do the planning from the back as well. We can go that way. Yes, we can. So just keep going here, here. Simple, straightforward. The question. So and then we're gonna go here, here, and that's it. So this is full marks. Let's do the last question. Okay, last question. Start from green, finish on red. Route should be like this. And can we do the straight line in this question? So we can use a Putney Bridge Road, but if we use the Putney Bridge Road, we're gonna go a little bit away this point here. So I don't want to do that one. I'm gonna try to get the straight line like this. Okay, so let's get out from this part here. So we can't go this way, we can't come this way, can't come this way. Yeah, so this is good planning if you do it, because this road is closed. There's a building here, that's why. So we have to use the part. If we go here, so I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna follow this one way here, coming over here. We can't go straight because of the one way. And yeah, look, you can see that we are already there. Yeah, so my red is over there. I want to go to the wrong path, so always check. Zoom. You're gonna do a lot of zoom. So if you're gonna go without practice, it's give you headache. Trust me, because I did it as well. So with experience, a lot of people do go without practice. But if you're confident, you can go and try, because there's a 3 chance to pass the exam. If you fail in once, then you have other, and that's it. 0 marks, isn't it? So because this road is closed, we can't do it. So we have to do like this. Boom, full marks, because I can say that a lot of people who done training with me, they got 100% marks as well, 98, 99. So thank you so much. I wish you good luck for your exam. Any problem, just message me. Please do not call me. It's difficult to speak on the phone. Just WhatsApp me. I will